October 27, 2022. It's about 2 p.m. and this is White Rock Lake in Dallas. One of my favorite biking trails in Dallas, or DFW rather. I think it's 10 miles, not sure. What's really cool about it too is that you can definitely go off trail but still be on a biking trail and ride through neighborhoods, and it's really cool. It's almost like doing a circle around Dallas, because you touch, you know, a little bit of North Dallas, you touch East Dallas, you touch West Dallas, touch a little bit of South Dallas. Really nice views, and they change. It's not the same view all the way around the lake. It's also part of a neighborhood, and so the houses here are really nice. Different types of architecture. What else? Yeah, see, this is one of those places. There's so many of these places where I can keep straight and go into the trees, or I can keep going right around the lake. It is a bit of an issue because in a lot of parts they don't have walking versus biking lanes. In some parts they do. I've been out here and had a guy run past me. It had to be doing 35 on some lightweight bike. But I mean, it's a lot of fun, you know. Had his headphones in. I mean, he was gone. I mean, he was doing it. But yeah, definitely gotta be aware. Use good etiquette, you know. I've never been out here on a busy day, I don't think. I may have without even thinking about it, but it can get busy for sure. Lots of picnics, lots of parties. Yeah, that's true. I have been out here when it was really busy. But today is Thursday, so people still at work. It's nice. Really excited about getting to the dock. I'm never certain where I'm entering the park at. I always just pull in and park somewhere. So I don't know how close I am to that dock. Maybe on the other side of the lake, far as I know. Lots of grassy areas. I like to just go until I crash, just lay in the grass. Benches aren't everywhere, but there's a lot of benches, seating areas. A couple times I've been out here where they had some type of event or something, and so there's people hanging out, and pass bottled water to the bikers. That's really cool. I've never seen like an actual race or anything. It's a wedding. Yeah, so I've never noticed any like races or anything, but even the times that there was obviously some event going on, I was not entirely sure what that event was. I think honestly it's just like a group or a club or something that just likes coming out here when it's hot and passing out water, I think. That's nice. It's a really pretty lake. There is. And there's a lot of lakes around here. I think this is my favorite though. might just do 20-25 miles today. If I don't say it, I only have an hour for 10 miles, so 2-hour podcast. Sailboat. I don't know about eating fish out of here though. I mean, no, it's enough water, but no, there's runoff in it. No question.